Representative Rosenthal.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. For hundreds of years, the Jewish people have said a prayer for our loved ones who have passed. It is called the Kaddish. I'd like to say this prayer for my great-grandmother, Edka Rosenthal, and her family. Edka was born in Poland and lived in Warsaw. She was married to Moshe Rosenthal and had 8 children. Some of her children left in the 1920s and 1930s, but the ones who stayed behind, Herschleib and his wife Ruchel, Shchulik, Yanche, Shloime, her nephew Honyek, with their families, an untold number of family members who we don't even know their names right now, all perished at the hands of the Nazis. Edka herself was taken from her retirement home and sent to the gas chambers. And this prayer is for my mother, who was German and not Jewish, and who lived with World War II and the post-war chaos in her head, causing her to take her own life when I was a child. And this prayer is for my cousin Leopoldo Romero, who lived in Argentina and was murdered by the military junta in the 1970s. And this prayer is for Sam Fireman. Sam joined us last year for the presentation of the Holocaust Memorial, and he was at Auschwitz, Birkenau, and the Death March to Dachau, where he was liberated. His entire family, except his sister, was killed in the Holocaust. And in 1949, he moved to Colorado and started a small business, and he passed in the last year. And this prayer is for the 6 million Jews and the other victims of the Nazis who lost their lives in HaShoah, the Holocaust. Yitgadal ve'yitgadash Shemei Rabbah, ve'alma divra chirchutei, ve'yamlich malchutei, v'chayechon, uv'yomechon, uv'chaye dechol Beit Yisrael, ve'agala uv'izman karivu, Amen. Yehei Shemei Rabbah mevarach le'alam, u'lalmei almaya. Yitbarach ve'yittabach, ve'yitpa'ar, ve'yitroman, ve'yitnaseh. V'yitadar, v'yitaleh, v'yitalal, Shmei Kedusha Baruch Hu. Leila min kol birchata v'shirata, tushbechata v'nechmata, da'ameran ve'alma v'yimru Amen. Yehei shlama rabba min shemaya, v'chaim aleinu ve'al kol Israel v'yimru Amen. Oseh shalom bimromav, hu yaseh shalom. Aleinu ve'al kol Israel, ve'imru Amen. May there be abundant peace from heaven and life upon us and upon all Israel. And let us say, Amen.
Representative